Let me do it.
It was like a cul-de-sac with shoes.
Here is the shoe. Right. Here is the driveway to the garage of our house. And here's our house.
Autistic talents.
Your mom's bedroom was here. Okay? Here was the toilet and the bathroom. Okay? First of all, I must tell you something else. When Fedler put a toilet in the house, the whole shoe just... They've never seen a toilet in a house. Never seen...
First, it was always at our house.
One of the first in Mayfair, Zayda put a toilet in there.
Zayda was ahead of his time, eh?
And Lynn...
What are you photographing?
And Mr. Lynn was the plumber. I remember.
Yeah.
Lynn was the plumber, okay? Here's your mom's room, okay? Here's the driveway, here's the shoe. And they had doors, 2 doors to the side of the shoe. And what did they put?
Were you in the house the night the bomb went off?
I ran into your mom's room. And there, the bomb went off. And your mom's room was there. She was lying on the bricks and the sand and everything.
Hoe was het? Was het een branddag?
Ja, ze wil branddag.
There's nothing to do with it.